The seasonal spike, pattern analysis. Witch trials surged in spring and autumn, and it wasn't random. The seasonal spike, a pattern historians found when they analysed execution records across Europe. Most witch trials happened in two windows, March through May and September through November. Why? The agricultural calendar. Spring was planting season. If the crops failed to germinate, someone had to be blamed. Late frosts, too much rain, livestock dying after winter. Witches caused it. Autumn was harvest season. If the harvest failed, winter meant starvation. The community needed a scapegoat before the cold set in. Trial records from Germany show this clearly. Bamberg, Würzburg, Trier. Executions peaked in April and October. Scotland's records show the same pattern. The bulk of witch trials happened right before planting and right after harvest. Here's the thing. Europe was in the Little Ice Age from the 1500s through the 1700s. Summers were shorter. Winters were brutal. Crop failures were constant. Every failed harvest increased the pressure. Someone had to be responsible. Witches became the explanation for climate disaster. The winter months saw fewer trials. Not because accusations stopped, but because travel was harder. Courts moved slower. Executions were postponed until spring. When the weather warmed up, the burnings resumed. Tens of thousands were executed because the weather didn't cooperate. How many of our explanations for disasters are just looking for someone to blame? Follow, like, and share for the patterns that show the system.